Good evening everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to draw a sequence diagram. So here is my question. My question is to draw a sequence diagram for the online exam registration. So for the online exam registration is like a developed product as a web-based examination registration system, and it assists an examiner to create an exam by adding and modifying questions, supplying possible results of a question and selecting the intended group of students. Moreover, the examination will have an overview of the results of an exam by student group and other factors. A student can solve exams for which they are enrolled and view results and corrections of previous exams. And the product benefits the examiner by simplifying and speeding up the work of creating and correcting an exam, and provides an easy way to follow the results by student or group of students. An administrator will set up and maintain the enrollments of courses. The product will be entirely accessed by a user-friendly web interface, which means the minimum amount of computer knowledge is required to interact with it. And it shows like every user is authenticated before allowing to log in. And the study materials show that study material is available on line and is accessible depending on modules cleared. The result analysis shows that various results are prepared, and also inbuilt functionality is available for analysis of results. And monitoring shows that every expert system can monitor students' performance, and the rules are modified and added by experts when they are required. So here is my sequence diagram. So here the tools which are used to draw the sequence diagram are like object model, object symbol, and this is the object symbol, and this is the activation box, and others are like this is the lifeline symbol and all, and this one is like the synchronous message symbol, which shows the message that should be carried from here to here. And there's a back a message also, that is like asynchronous return message. So here there are like admin, examiner, student, test paper, result and response as the lifeline symbols. So for each one it shows the message like from the admin, a send invite is sent to the examiner, and the examiner gets the invite and send it back to the admin. And the examiner, he prepares the question paper, and which shows like the relationship between the examiner and the test paper, like it prepares, and the test paper is set by the examiner. So the next one is like the examiner gets the status of the question paper, that is like he adds, modifies questions and everything. And the return status shows that the test paper is set by the examiner. And the next one is like enter choice, that is the student enters the choice on response, that is like clicking options, like giving any choice and all. And the response shows that a choice is given by the student. And the next one is like student and the result, it shows like checks. The student checks the results, and in return it shows like the result is checked by the student. And the last one it shows like the admin send result to the student, that is written here. The admin send the result to the student, which is shown like this, and the student gets the status from the admin. So this is all about the sequence diagram. We have fulfilled like all the requirements that are based on the question here. So this is about the sequence diagram. Thank you.